How to sign up or create a Target account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can sign up or create a Target account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to sign up or create a Target account, all you have to do is simply go ahead and launch the Target application first. Once you launch the Target app, you're going to see this pop-up interface where you'll have the option called create account over here. Just make sure to tap on the create account option. Now once you tap on the create account button over here, you're going to see basically this type of interface where you simply need to enter the email address that you want to use for your Target account here. So let me also go ahead and then actually enter my email address on the list. After that, you need to enter other prerequisites details such as the first name, the last name, as well as the password and mobile number. So you might want to go ahead and then do those as well. Once you've entered all the details, verify the information once and for all, and then just click the create account button. Once you click the create account button over here, this specific account will be successfully created. This way you can create a Target account. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.